Calories in chicken breast. Chicken breast skinless cooked 100 grams contains approximately 165 calories, 31 grams of protein and 3.6 grams of fat. Preferred in low-calorie, high-protein diets. Chicken thigh skinless cooked 100 grams contain approximately 209 calories, 26 grams of protein and 10.9 grams of fat, commonly used for richer, more flavorful dishes. Chicken leg piece drumstick skinless cooked 100 grams contains approximately 172 calories, 28.3 grams of protein and 5.7 gram of fat. Great for grilling or frying, popular for casual meals. Key differences between chicken breast and chicken thighs. Chicken breast is leaner and lower in calories, making it a popular choice for those looking to reduce calorie intake. Chicken thighs, while higher in calories, are more flavorful and slightly higher in fat. If you are on a weight loss journey, stay consistent, build healthy habits and keep watching our videos for more tips. And if you are in India and need extra support, we offer personalized online and in-person weight loss programs tailored to your needs. Visit erastoweightloss.com for more details. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.